Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. We've been using this Purdy 10-in-1 painter's tool. Let me tell you what I like about it. So I'm going to go through the list of the 10 things this tool can do. There's one, however, that I'm going to edit a little bit, but I'll show you what that is. First, it's a roller cleaner. Next, you can use it to open and clean cracks for patching plaster. You can use it to spread compounds such as spackling for making patches. You can use this rounded end to open paint cans. Now here's where I want to edit a little bit. They say the blunted end is for use setting nails. Maybe, maybe not. I use it for closing a paint can. When you're all done painting, you can use it to open a bottle. It's got a cutting blade. You can cut rope with it or open a box or whatever you need. The point at the end of the cutter blade works really well for removing caulk. The end of the blade is a straight scraper. And when it's folded up, the rounded end works as a flat standard screwdriver. So along with all the tasks that you can accomplish with the 10-in-1 tool, I think one of my favorite things is the fact that I can fold it up and clip it to my pocket. So the Purdy 10-in-1 painter's tool is Family Handyman approved. To see more products we've tested and approved, visit us at familyhandyman.com.